Okay, now let's look at the window trigger mode. And I've got an interesting signal here coming from the generator. As you can see, there are two glitches. One on the rising and one on the falling. So, for window mode, we can set that. We're on edge now. Let's go down to window. Alright, now this will set two horizontal trigger points, which will allow us, we can adjust each of those independently and try to catch the glitch. So we've got one vertical and two horizontal. And that will allow us, as you can see, to zoom in on both glitches so we can catch them at the same time. Very useful when you've got a glitch on both the rising and the falling.